Hey guys, this is my after work routine. Usually I make myself something to eat, so I might get some apple danishes or something. I don't really know. Like on my break in work, I usually get like a slice of pizza or something from Dunkin'. So I'm not really hungry right now. So I'm gonna get something like small. I don't know if I want a Danish, so it's like really hard. You know what, whatever, I'll get a Danish. I don't care. Alright, I got an apple Danish right here. I have iced tea, which is a pretty interesting like combo, and I got my MacBook to watch YouTube because I'm not eating with no entertainment. I'll give y'all a better view. The Danish and the iced tea was not pretty good. It was kind of... Usually after I eat, I either play with my friends, and my friends are out right now, or watch YouTube, which I'm already doing right now, or watch a movie, but that's kind of boring right now. And if I did record any of those, I would get copyrighted and this video would go. I want to show you guys my collection real quick. We got like 2 cologne, toner, hair clips for like skincare. Ordinary I saw from Amazon. This is empty. Eyedropper. I had a lazy eye one day. And my cologne. This looks small, but believe me, this was $90. It smells really good. I think it's worth it. And this is like, you can't really see it, but it goes from like down over here. You can't really. Oh, now you can see it. Like it's right over there after a year of usage. Can it focus? A year of usage is right there. Which is crazy. And I've been using this cologne every day for work and school. I'll show you guys my outfit real quick. It's something light, but whatever. Alright, first thing we got is a Fruit of the Loom hoodie. And Nike shorts. These were $40. And don't mind my skinny ass legs. And the mismatching socks. Let me know what you guys think about my fit. No calm fit. Ever since I got rid of my gaming stuff, like my computer and all that, due to like bad performance, I really have nothing to do in my life anymore other than watch YouTube videos, call my friends, play on the MacBook, and that's literally just it. I recently fell in love with coffee. Like earlier this morning, I was drinking this. It kind of looks good. I don't really know. It's like Arabian coffee with French vanilla blend, and I had a Danish with it. I said this before in a recent video, but I really want to decorate my room. My room has a horrible paint job and it's kind of bland. My desk area is fine though. Like I showed you guys earlier, you can go rewind or something. But my favorite part about my room is probably my desk area, because it's like the neatest. But my cat continues to ruin it up. If you guys have any glow up tips, let me know in the comments below. But like I know my eyebrows are kind of screwed up. And my hair is messed up right now because, you know what, work and laying in bed and all that. But let me know, and be brutally honest, by the way. Should I start doing skincare again? You can see some acne marks and all that. Ooh, this one's bad. But yeah, enough about me. I'm gonna show you guys my routine after work. This video has been slacking, but whatever. Alright, I just finished with the YouTube video. It was like a gameplay type of video, nothing, you know, special. I might get the Apple AirPods Max. I don't know if it's worth it though, like $400 or like $500. I usually have the Beats Studio 3s, but the like muffs are like wearing and all that. Like it's going bad, and I need new headphones because the sound canceling or like noise cancellation is not that good. And I tried the AirPods Max when I went to go get the MacBook, and it was comfy and like it sounded good, But anyway, Thursday I'm going to the movies with my friends to go watch the Minions. The new Minions movie. I don't know what it's called because I haven't done much research. But I love the Minions, so it's gonna be fun. I have this mini, like, Minion thing that my friend gave me from school like a while ago. And he destroyed it. And ever since, it was like the beginning of the year. So ever since I kept it under my monitor. And since the monitor's gone, I just put it on my TV stand next to my katana. Alright, I'm in my bed now. I might watch a movie. I don't know which movie though. I'll have to go and look. It's probably an Adam Sandler's type of movie because I love Adam Sandler's. Either that or I go rewatch a movie. I have some movie snacks right here. I have M&M's. And I have these Lay's baked chips. Are they Lay's baked chips? These are like, I'm telling you right, I'm putting you on right now if you haven't had this before. I don't know who haven't had this before, but these are like the best chips on the planet. I've been eating these since I was 10 or like 7. I discovered them in my school lunch and they're like the best. And I mean it. The barbecue version too and the originals, like every version of these like chips are the best. Like I'm telling you. Believe these prices now? These M&Ms were like, I kid you not, this was $4. I'm gonna lie, I'm sweating like crazy, so I might change my shirt and then watch the movie. Or I could finish The Walking Dead, because I haven't finished that yet. Like, I rewatched it. I finished all the seasons, episodes, and all that. I rewatched it like 3 times. And me and my brother have been playing it since we were like 6. Best game ever.
I'll let my chopper. Z, do you want to work tomorrow?
Gen Z, bro?
What?
Trying to cancel me, bro?
Z, do you want to take my shift tomorrow?
Why?